Hello everyone, welcome to Abacus level 5. As of now, we have already completed level 4 of Abacus. If you have not watched the videos up to level 4, you can watch the video up to level 4 where we have done addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now in level 5, we are going to start the division. So here you can see that here we have a Abacus tool in front of the us, and here we have very small questions, very easy questions of division for small children concept. So I'll take the third question first, and we are going to set up the question on our Abacus tool. So if you have already watched the video up to level 4 of Abacus, so you may be aware that the left side of the Abacus tool. So you already know this is the unit place, and the left side of the Abacus tool we were using up to level 4. Now in level 5, we are going to use the right part of the Abacus tool for getting the answer and writing the answer. So here I'll take the question number 3 first, and we will write the question first. I will write 64. So here I'll make a position of 6 and 4. So that is my dividend. And here divisor is 2. So divisor I will put on the left side rod, extreme left side rod. So here I have set up my question on my Abacus tool. So which means 64 divided by 2, where 2 is the divisor and 64 is the dividend. Now I'll see that how to divide 64 divided by 2. So we already know when we start the division process, we need to check and we need to start with the table of 2, right? And we need to see that here we have the first digit of the dividend is 6. And then we need to start from the 2 tables. So I need to check in 2's table where the 6 comes. So we already know that 2 3s are 6, right? So we already know 2 multiplied 3 equal to 6. But here I'll see that the number is completely starting and ending. I'm talking about number 6. It's a starting and ending at the tens place. So this is the tens place. So in the same way, I will set up my answer at the tens place, which is an Abacus. It is like this. So this is the tens place on my Abacus tool. So as I said, it comes like 2 3s are, right? So I will start writing my quotient here. So 2 3s are, I'll just do -6 from here. Now I have the remaining number, which is 4. And again, I will start the table of 2. And in the table of 2, 2 2s are 4, right? So here you can see it's the extreme left. 2 2s are 4. And it is ones place on Abacus tool. So now, again, here I will just write my remaining part of the question. 2 2s are 4. I'll subtract 4 from here, and here we have no remainder. So here we got the quotient is 32, and that was the divisor. So here we got the answer 3 to 32. I hope you understood. And now we are going to solve question number 4 on Abacus tool. So whenever we start any question on Abacus tool, we will clear the Abacus tool. So here 34 divided by 2. As I discussed in the previous question, we will set up the question first. We will make a position of 3 here and 4 here. 34 and divided by 2. So again, I'll start here. We have number 3, right? So 3 is bigger than 2. So we already know that 3 is not there in the table of 2. So we will start with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, right? So that is starting and ending at the ones, sorry, starting and ending at the tens place. So that is the reason I'm going to write my answer starting from the tens place, right? So I will start 2 ones are and I will subtract 2 from here. And now I have number 1, 4, 14. 14 is pending, right? But we will try to solve digit one by one. So here we have 1. So we already know that 1 is not there in the table of 2. So that is the reason we are taking a double digit now. It's a 1, 4, 14. It's starting with the tens place but ending with the ones place. So that is the reason now I will put my remaining part of the question at the ones place. So 2 sevens are. So 2 sevens are 14. So that's a ones place. So 2 sevens are. I'll just subtract 14 from here. And here we don't have any remainder. And here is the quotient. And that was the divisor. So we got the answer 1717. I hope you understood. Now we are going to start one more example just for better clarity. I'll take the example 56. So I'll make 5 here, 6 here, right? And here we have 4. So now my question on my abacus tool, 56 divided by 4. So again, here I will see, here we have number 5. And then I will start with the division by 4. So we already know that 5 is bigger than 4. So I will take 4 ones are 4. As I mentioned earlier, that's starting and ending at the ones place. So because 4 ones are 4. So 4 ones are, I will start at the tens place and I will subtract minus 4 from here. So minus 4 friend is plus 1 minus 5. Now here we can see 1 is here, but 1 is not divisible by 4. So we will take 16 as a double digit, which is starting at the tens place, but ending at the unit place, which is ones place. So we will take complete 16 and we will see in the table of 4, 4 fours are 16. I will subtract 16 from here. And again, here we don't have any remainder. And here we have the quotient 1, 4, 14. And here we have divisor, which was 4. So I hope you understood. And now I'm taking different kind of examples so that it will make you clear. And now I'll just take question number 1, 81 divided by 9. So here I'll make 80 and 1 and divided by 9. So this is a little bit different from the previous example which I have taken. So here you can see the divisor is bigger than the first digit of the dividend, right? So here the number is starting with the tens place, but it is not divisible by the divisor. So in that case, we will take the double digit, but here it is ending with the one digit. As you can see, 81. So 1 is here, like ending at the ones place. So now that is the reason we are going to start my answer. I will start writing the quotient on the ones place. In the previous examples, we was doing it from the tens place, but here the number is completely divisible, which is starting at the tens place but ending at the ones place. So it is completely divisible by 9. So we already know 9 nines are. So here I will mention 9 and I will subtract 81 from here. So here we don't have any remainder. And here quotient is 9 and divisor is 9. Let's try one more example here. For example, if I will take number 9, right? So here we have 47 divided by 47 divided by, sorry, 42 divided by 7. So here I'll just take 42 divided by 7. So we already know that here the number is smaller than the divisor. If I will talk about the first digit of the dividend. So 42 is here. So 7 6 are. So 7 6 are 42. So we will take ones place here. The reason is that last digit is ending at the unit place. So 7 6 are 42. So here, no remainder, and 6 is the quotient. Sorry, 6 is the, yeah, 6 is the quotient, and 7 is the divisor. I hope you understood. And in this video, we have solved only double digit number. In the upcoming video, we will start with the triple digit. I mean to say 3 digit divided by 1 digit. Thank you.